But there's an opportunity to learn some new cooking skills this Sunday. This is a collaborative event. It's called From Blade to Bite. So we have Chef Laura Bonicelli from Bonicelli Cooking here, as well as Cathy Kongloth, GM of Norseman Distillery. Thank you both so much for coming in.
Good morning.
Yes,
morning.
It's great to see you both. Chef, you're a longtime guest on this show, but Cathy here, you're new to us. Show us some of the drinks that you have down there.
So right here we have our strawbarb gimlet. It's actually one of our top cocktails that we have. It's what we're known for. It's made with our strawbarb gin, which is an award-winning gin back in 2014. And then right here I got a abacaxi cider, which is a pineapple apple cider.
Okay. Now, this event is being held at, where is Norseman Distillery?
So we are located in Minneapolis along Taft.
Okay.
Right across from Eversharp, actually. So this is going to be a great opportunity to collaborate with our neighbors.
Chef, tell us about Blade to Bite.
Okay, so it's many things. It's an event that we've actually done year after year, and now it's evolved to this to be at Norseman because Eversharp is right across the street, and they have a beautiful room where we can fit 50 people, so we've grown.
Great.
What we're going to be doing is demoing gadgets and knives and talking about knives and giving a lot of knife knowledge.
That's the blade part.
That's the blade part.
This is the bite.
That's
This
the
is the
bite
bite part, and the bite part is based on Spanish tapas and pinchos, and that's what you see here. Pinchos are basically kind of like tapas, except for everything goes on a slice of bread with a toothpick. That's kind of the roll.
that.
And then this is a Spanish omelet. And I did bring some gadgets for you to try.
Great. Let's do it.
Okay.
Where do you want to start?
I want to start over here.
Okay.
So this is what I call a zester.
Oh,
It's
yes.
actually made for your feet. So this is my hot discovery of last year to try it because it's a great thing.
The zester.
for
So
your
it contains everything,
heels.
and it doesn't go into the pith because it wouldn't go into your foot. Sure. So it's designed perfectly.
Such a great idea. I love it. Okay.
So on the heels of that, we have a gadget made by Dream Farm.
Okay.
All of this is carried at Eversharp, by the way. They hook me up. And you put your lemon in there. You can juice it into there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Go for it,
So
AJ.
it catches all the seeds, and you can
Juice, baby, juice.
make it go all the way flat. So if you're into margaritas or anything that requires juice, this thing is amazing.
Oh, wow.
We use
one
it
for the bar.
Yes, we do. I can hook you up with that.
Right. Okay. Let's keep going here. But if you are able to go to the event, you'll get the drinks and the food here and the demo. Okay. So it's like a 3-for-1.
Oh, my gosh.
Deal.
And we're having a silent auction. So those are some of the items that Eversharp is donating. I'm donating a pasta class, and you're donating.
So we're going to be donating like a $100 gift card, some of our bitters, which is kind of be our key element for this event. And then we'll have some Norseman swag, some t-shirts and everything.
And just for signing up, if you buy a ticket, Eversharp is giving away a knife sharpening ticket.
Oh, fantastic.
nice.
3 knives.
How much is the event? What's the ticket price?
$25.
$25. Okay, and then you'll have these bites here too?
Yes.
Ooh, what did you bring here?
So again, these are pinchos. So these are roasted mushrooms with zucchini and a cucumber mayo. This is manchego with roasted peppers and olives. They're kind of crazy looking, aren't they?
But they look great, though.
So
Yeah.
fun. This is chorizo and tomato and a different type of like a Dijon mustard. These are some spiced almonds, and this I really want you to try. This is a Spanish omelet. Very typical in northern Spain.
Oh, my goodness.
But you have one more gadget you have to try.
Oh, we got to wrap it up now. We're out of time. We're out of time.
I'll try it.
You try it.
What you say.
Laura, Cathy, thank you guys both so much for coming. Blade to Bite coming up this Sunday, 4 p.m. at the Norseman Distillery. We're going to put a link with ticket information on our website, WCCO.com. Nice job, Heather.
Yeah,
nice
I got the
job.
garlic. I'm going to show you after we do feedback.
So earlier we told you about this new survey. It showed 71% of people say they'd be